Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge or how to insert the video effect in your text using PowerPoint. Okay, so we are going to create this particular text effect which I have displayed on the screen. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, so first we will add a new slide. So we are going to take blank presentation. Okay, after that we need to insert some text. So go in insert and then click on text box. Okay, and then we are going to add some text, like we'll take an example as ocean only. Okay, and select this text. Give the font as impact, font name as impact. Okay, and give font size as 250. Okay, just adjust this text. Okay, next is we have to align this text. We have to place this text in the middle. Okay, now next step is go to insert and click on shapes. Again go to insert and click on shapes. From shapes we have to select rectangle and draw the rectangle over the name ocean and draw the rectangle. Okay, now we need to send this rectangle to the back side. So select this rectangle and click on send backward. Click on send backward. Okay, now next what we have to do is we have to combine the shape and the text. Okay, so select both shape and using shift and then select text. Okay, and from here merge shape. Okay, from merge shape we have to go in combine. Okay, okay, now next step is we need to insert the video. So again go to the insert tab and click on insert video. Click on video on my PC. Okay, so from there you can add the video. So I'm adding the video of C, which I have already downloaded from the net. Okay, so to download the videos you can go through any of this website. We have Pixabay, video Videovo, then Video Z. Okay, so you can download the video effects from this particular websites. Okay, as you can see, I have downloaded this video from videov.net. Okay, okay, there just we have to click on free download and your video will get downloaded. Some of the videos are free, some of the video effects are paid, so you need to check the video effects which are free. You can download that, otherwise you can purchase it also. Okay, so I have downloaded the free video. Then next, so from insert we have inserted the video here which I have downloaded. Okay, now next is we need to crop this video. So select this video and click on crop button. Okay, so while cropping, crop from downwards. Okay, like this. Keep it in the middle. Okay, and then click on crop, or you can click anywhere outside the slide. Okay, once done, just drag this like this. It should cover your complete text. Okay, see to it that it is covering your complete text. After this, we have to send this video to the back side. So we will select the video and click on send backward. Okay, so now you can just play and see whether your effect is working. See, it is working. It is looking very nice. Okay, now we need to give some effect to the text. Okay, so just select the shape, go to the format. Okay, in format we have to select the shape effect, and in shape effect you go to glow effect, and from glow effect you can go to glow options, and from there you can select the glow effects like this. Okay, I will select the color as black. Okay, that's it. And more effects, if you want to give like preset or something, you can do like this, but I don't think it is needed. Okay, we'll do it. Okay, so we are done with the effect. Now we will give effect to our video, so we'll select the video here. Now I want that video should be played automatically, so you need to select the video first. Okay, after selecting you have to go in playback option. In playback option, in start we have to select automatically, and then we have to check this loop until stop. That's it. Okay, now suppose you want to add the background image to our presentation. So for that, select this shape, right click and go to the format shape. Okay, in format shape we are going to go in fill. In fill we are going to click on picture or texture effect. Okay, so in picture or texture effect, if you want to insert a picture, click on insert. You can select online picture. Okay, and type here ocean. So suppose I want to insert this, then click on insert. Okay, this will take some time. Okay, this image is not looking that good. We'll again check for new image. Okay, we'll add some decent image like this. We'll go with this image. Okay, so we have done now. We'll just play it. So this is how we can add the video effect to our text. I hope you have liked it. Thank you so much.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos.
Like and share videos with your friends.